Welcome back to our channel. If you're diving into the world of Pi Network and ready to transfer your Pi tokens, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of transferring your Pi tokens securely and efficiently. Make sure to check out our previous video where we introduced the basics of Pi, as understanding the foundation will help you with this process. Let's get started. Step 1. Ensure you have the latest version of the Pi Network app before making any transfers. It's crucial to ensure that you have the latest version of the Pi Network app. Updates often contain essential security features and improvements that enhance your experience. Head over to your App Store, whether you're using iOS or Android, and check for any available updates. If you haven't updated recently, go ahead and do that now. Step 2. Verify your identity. To transfer your Pi tokens, you'll need to verify your identity. This process ensures the security of your tokens and helps prevent fraud. Open the Pi Network app, navigate to the Settings menu, and look for the Identity Verification section. You may need to provide some personal information or go through a KYC, Know Your Customer, process. Follow the prompts, and once your identity is verified, you'll be ready to make transfers. Step 3. Check your balance before initiating a transfer. It's important to check your available balance. Open your wallet within the app to see how many Pi tokens you currently hold. This balance will determine how much you can transfer. If you're new to the app, familiarize yourself with the wallet interface, as this will be your go-to place for all token management. Step 4. Initiate the transfer now that you have verified your identity and checked your balance. It's time to transfer your tokens. 1. Go to the wallet. Click on the wallet icon on your app's home screen. 2. Select Send. Tap the Send button to start the transfer process. 3. Enter recipient's information. You'll need to enter the recipient's Pi username or wallet address. 3. Ensure that the information is correct. Sending tokens to the wrong address can lead to irreversible loss. Step 5. Specify the amount. Next, specify how many Pi tokens you wish to transfer. Double-check the amount to ensure you're sending the right quantity. Be aware of any minimum transfer limits that may apply, as well as any transaction fees that could affect the amount received. Step 6. Review your transaction. Once you've entered the recipient's information and the amount, review your transaction details. Ensure everything is correct. This is your last chance to catch any mistakes before you confirm the transfer. Step 7. Confirm the transfer. After reviewing, it's time to confirm your transfer. You may be prompted to enter a PIN or complete a verification step, depending on your app settings. Follow the instructions and finalize the transaction. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your transfer was successful. Step 8. Monitor the transaction. After completing the transfer, you can monitor the status of your transaction within the app. Go back to your wallet and check the transaction history. It may take a little time for the recipient to see the tokens in their wallet, so be patient. If the tokens do not appear after a reasonable time, double-check the recipient's information and consider reaching out to them for confirmation. Step 9. Security tips. While transferring Pi tokens is straightforward, keeping your tokens secure is paramount. Here are some quick security tips. Enable two-factor authentication. 2FA. If available, activate 2FA for an added layer of security. Use strong passwords. Ensure your app account has a strong, unique password. Be wary of phishing scams. Always double-check links and never provide your login information to anyone. Transferring Pi tokens can be a simple and secure process if you follow the steps outlined in this guide. Remember to keep your app updated, verify your identity, and double-check all details before confirming any transactions. If you found this guide helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on Pi Network and cryptocurrency trends. Also, don't forget to watch our previous video where we dive deep into the fundamentals of Pi. Your journey in the world of cryptocurrency is just beginning, and we're here to help you navigate it every step of the way. Thanks for watching.